Go.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Acadia. I'm 6 years old. I'm from Kids Public Speaking Bangsa. My speech today is about my dream. If I may, I want to ask a question. Does everyone have a dream? Today, I am pleased to share my dream with you. Everyone has dreams about life. Different dreams at different life stages. At times, dreams are like the stars in the sky. It seems impossible because it seems so far away. However, we can chart our course towards our dreams. With a dream, there's hope. With hope, we have the courage and strength to push through the obstacles. I have a dream. I would like to be a veterinarian when I grow up. I love animals. Veterinarians get to diagnose problems, treat illnesses, provide surgery, and prescribe medication. My work can be very fulfilling because I get to help the animals remain healthy. But I know life is tough. There are always ups and downs. We may fail and be disappointed. However, if we hold strongly to our dream, it can comfort us, encourage us, and motivate us to move ahead. As I am still young, I know that nothing is impossible. I must work hard and smart to achieve my dream. Hold on to dreams for me. No matter how big or small they are, the path to dreams may not be smooth and wide, but hold on to the end. You'll find there's no greater happiness than making your dream come true. I will work hard to make my dream become true. Thank you.